made it to Krakow. After getting off the plane, we had about a minute bus ride, and then it took us right to baggage claim. So now we just gotta wait for our bags to come out, and then we can go check out Krakow. But when you arrive at Krakow Airport, you need to look for a big sign that will have your flight information and it'll tell you what ticket counter to check into. Like many other European airports, there's no set ticket counters for the airlines, so they all rotate. We got here about 2.5 hours early, and until we were 2 hours before our flight, our gate information or ticket counter information didn't show up. So get here no earlier than 2 hours and you'll be able to see it, and then you go there. It's on the bottom level, and they have 1 through 18s on the second floor, and 19 through 40 is on the second floor.